Hi, and welcome to our video for upgrading our Express Custom Emergency Transport Module Vehicle Insert to be Transport Canada and WorkSafeBC compliant. Without the changes mentioned in this video, any ETV unit built before May 27, 2019 will not be compliant with the current standards and regulations. When receiving this upgrade kit, you will be sent 6 aluminum 3" by 3" by 1/4 inch thick fish plates with a hole in the center to add underneath all seatbelt mounts within the ETV unit. In testing, these plates proved to be crucial to the integrity of the seatbelt mount when tested at a 5,000-pound pull. Additionally, your upgrade kit will include a certification sticker to be placed inside the emergency hatch of your ETV unit. Before beginning, you will need a 3/8 wrench, Express Custom ETV Upgrade kit, which includes 6 fish plates and a certification sticker, as well as access to the underside of the ETV unit, which may require unmounting the unit from the pickup to access the attendant seatbelt bolt. To begin, you will use the 3/8 wrench to loosen and ultimately remove a seatbelt mount. Once you have removed the bolt that anchors in the seatbelt mount, you're going to take one of the supplied 3" by 3" fish plates and add it onto the assembly on the bottom side. Reassemble and resecure the seatbelt mount down using the same bolt, which is now supported by the 1/4 inch washer on the bottom side. Ensure it is nice and tight when wrenching it back on. Finally, repeat this process for all 6 seatbelt mounts found within an ETV unit. Place the provided compliant sticker on the inner side of the emergency side door, and done! Your ETV unit is now compliant with both WorkSafeBC and Transport Canada regulations. Got questions? Need help? Contact us. Thanks for watching.